Cut cut cut. This is not rated TV PG. I already told you this is not a TV show. This is a production.
Sorry. It's a mistake.
Well, let's head to take 2.
Help, 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 we can see.
I know. What the heck is going on? Is it dark? Ugh, I knew it. Let's light it up again, so we can do take number 3. Cut 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 cut. You made it too bright. I think my eyes are gonna hurt because you did that.
Oops. Sorry about that.
Well, alright, let's take again. Take 4. Cut 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 cut. It shouldn't be Louis group. It has to be in a normal way.
Oh, sorry.
Time for the 5th take. Cut 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 cut. Are you serious? Why is the audio not playing? Let's turn it on, then we'll do take number 6.
PBS?
Cut. This is not Nickelodeon, this is PBS.
Whoops.
Take 7. No. Cut 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 cut. The image is not supposed to be mirroring the other way. It needs to be perfect.
Oops. Sorry.
It's okay. Anyways, take number 8. Cut. Now it's in sideways. You need to leave it normal. So, let's turn it the right way, so we can do the next take. Which it means take 9.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Guys, you fell down. Wait a second. The image is upside down. That's why it made you both fell. Alrighty, I'm gonna do one more take. And if you two mess up for the last time, we are canceling this. Okay?
Well, fine. We will try our best, if we can.
Excellent. Okay. Final take, aka, take 10. Alrighty, that's it. You both are done. On the next ident, the next one is actually Fireflies. Please leave the studios until Friday.
Man, Dot, I can't even believe this.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe it after all.